What's up guys, and it's time to take a look at the brand new Instagram mode for the Galaxy S10 and why I think it's an absolute game changer for this release and also for other Android phones. So with the latest software upgrade, Samsung has given us the ability to remap the Bixby along with a dedicated Instagram mode. And you might be thinking, why do we need a dedicated Instagram mode within the camera application? Why can't we use the inbuilt camera system that we have here within the Instagram app that you normally do on other phones? So why is there a need for a dedicated Instagram mode? So for those who don't know, the Instagram app for Android phones does not work as good as it does on iOS or on an iPhone. Even in 2019, the Instagram app for Android is not utilizing the camera to its maximum potential. So just to show you guys here on my S10, I have the front camera mode enabled. So if I touch anywhere on the iPhone, you can see it actually uses the camera, it responds and changes the exposure depending on where I touch, whereas on the Galaxy S10 Plus, if I just focus here, it doesn't do anything. So still, it is not actually utilizing the camera itself, it is a screen capture of that, which is why Samsung is solving this issue by integrating an Instagram mode directly into the actual application. So many of you guys have been asking me if the Instagram experience is as good as the iPhone, and the answer to that is no. It is still not as good as you get on the iPhone. It's more polished there, but things are about to change with the Instagram mode. So with the Instagram mode, you can take high quality pictures without any compression. So this is from the actual camera, no screen cap whatsoever, and it quickly takes you to the story where you can add text and do all kinds of stuff that you normally do. And if I switch to the front camera, it is utilizing it. It gets me the control for the exposure. Just like the main camera app we have with the front camera, I take the photo, it takes me to the story page. So this is actual image quality from the camera itself. But let's talk about the video. So the video recording is very similar to what you do on the normal Instagram app. So you can touch to hold to record the videos for 15 seconds, and you can continue to hold it for as long as you want to, and it will compile those stories when you're about to post it. And the difference again here is that it is actually utilizing the camera. It is using it to its actual potential instead of taking the screen cap. And now you cannot zoom in by swiping your thumb like you normally do on the Instagram app. Instead, you have to use your other finger. So if you zoom all the way out, it actually utilizes the ultra wide angle lens. So it's currently in the ultra wide angle lens mode. I have a lot of great view here. Because it's actually utilizing the camera, you're getting the ultra wide angle mode for your stories as well. So which is really game changing. This is something that default Instagram app would never do. Once you are done, it takes you to the Instagram page where you can basically save or delete stories and add effects, whatever you want to do. You also get the option to choose from ultra wide angle to wide angle to telephoto lenses before you start recording your story. So thanks to the Instagram mode, your camera will be utilized in the stories. So I will highly recommend to use the Instagram mode instead of the Instagram's own camera. With that being said, there are a lot of features that are missing. For example, you cannot switch between front and back camera while recording the story. You also can't zoom with the thumb, and also if you have a music playing in the background, the Instagram mode will instantly stop it on the S10 Plus. So these are a couple of things that are lacking compared to the actual Instagram interface. And obviously you get all the tricks as well, like boomerang, super zoom, focus, which creates like a portrait video, rewind, hands-free. I mean, so much stuff within the Instagram app. So you don't get it yet on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Hopefully they will be able to add this stuff as well, but it is a nice step. And I'm so glad that Samsung is actually solving this issue, because anyone who uses Android knows that these social media apps, they work better on iOS. So Samsung's finally stepping up and integrating the Instagram within its application. Hopefully they will be able to include stuff like boomerang and those tricks that the normal Instagram app has in the future. Now for those who use Snapchat, this will also affect Snapchat as well. Your stories will look better over there. Although there is no Snapchat mode, but you can definitely save these stories recorded in the Instagram mode and then post them there on Snapchat if you want to. But as Samsung said, that Snapchat will be getting improved on this phone as well. I personally don't use Snapchat, but as far as the Instagram experience goes, the S10 Plus is the best Samsung phone to give you guys that high quality Instagram experience thanks to the Instagram mode. Compared to the iPhone, because of its optimization, iOS and developer support, it still works better. The default Instagram app still works better on the iPhone, which is why I still post stories most of the time using my iPhone, but obviously I've been using the Instagram mode a lot every time I'm posting something from my Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will clear up your doubts regarding the Instagram mode for the S10 Plus. You can now record high quality videos, utilize the ultra wide angle lens, and also take high quality selfies for your Instagram stories, minus the Instagram tricks like the boomerang super zoom, which you can still do with the default Instagram app. But I hope these features will be added to the camera Instagram mode. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.